In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink OneDrive from your PC. Before we begin, a quick note on what unlinking does. Unlinking stops your computer from syncing with OneDrive, but it does not delete your files in the cloud, and it doesn't remove your existing files on this PC. You can relink later and pick up where you left off. With that in mind, let's walk through the process carefully. Start by clicking on File at the top left corner of your File Explorer window. This ensures you're working from the main Explorer view where you can see your folders and the navigation panel on the left side. Next, move to the left pane and locate OneDrive. Right-click on OneDrive to open the context menu. Right-clicking here is important because it gives you access to OneDrive-specific options that aren't shown in the main toolbar. If you don't see OneDrive in the sidebar, make sure you're in the primary File Explorer window and that OneDrive is installed and signed in. In the menu that appears after you right-click, click on OneDrive. This opens the OneDrive submenu or options panel tied to your account. It's a small but crucial step because it leads you directly to the controls you need. From there, click on Settings. This opens the OneDrive settings window where you can manage sync behavior, choose folders, and handle account actions. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at options related to your current PC and account, especially if you use multiple Microsoft accounts. Inside the settings, look for the option labeled Unlink this PC and click on Unlink the PC. This prepares OneDrive to disconnect your computer from active syncing. If you have any important files currently syncing, it's a good idea to let that finish first to avoid partial updates. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm. Click on Unlink Account. Once you do, OneDrive will stop syncing to this computer. Your OneDrive folder will remain on your PC with the files that were already downloaded, and your cloud copy will stay safely in your OneDrive online. If you decide to connect again later, simply sign back in to OneDrive and choose your folders to sync. That's it. You've successfully unlinked OneDrive from your PC. If you notice the OneDrive icon in your taskbar turning inactive or disappearing, that's normal after unlinking. And remember, you can always relink when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify your files are where you expect them, both locally and in the cloud, so you can move forward with